The most delicious eggplants I've ever tasted, and you can't imagine how easy it is to prepare. Start today's recipe by cutting 2 eggplants in half. Next, place 2 kebab skewers next to it, and make diagonal cuts, like this. The eggplant needs to be in this shape, and I'm sure you'll be amazed by the final result of this recipe. After cutting them, place them in a container or on a board like I'm doing, and sprinkle a little salt on top. And let the salt sit on top for 5 minutes. After doing that, you will put them in a separate container and cover with cold water. Do exactly like that to remove their bitterness. Then dry them with paper towels. Stay with me until the end and you'll be impressed by the result. It's really easy to prepare, and everyone will love it. In a bowl, put 500 grams of ground meat. Let's also add a finely grated onion, and with it, let's add a handful of chopped parsley. And now, add spices to taste. Season with salt, black pepper, and paprika. And mix all the ingredients very well. Remember that you can add the spices you like the most to the meat. And now just fill each one of the eggplants we cut with this meat. The cuts we made will be extremely useful for the eggplant to be completely filled with meat. And comment down below which city my video today is reaching. I want to meet you and send you a big hug. Now, in a separate bowl, add 2 whole eggs. Add 200 grams of heavy cream, a pinch of salt, 1 sweet paprika, and mix very well until the ingredients are smooth. Put 20 grams of wheat flour, and mix everything very well. Here you will prepare a little mixture to coat the eggplants. Even those who don't like eggplant will love to try it this way. It turns out truly delicious and is very easy to make. Take them to fry in hot oil on both sides until they are golden brown. This recipe is foolproof, and it's a good option for making lunch or even dinner. When they are the color you like, you can already take them out. This is how you prepare the most delicious eggplants in the world and the most famous ones in town. Just try it at home, then come back here in the comments to tell me if you really liked it or not. Leave a rating from 0 to 10 below. So that's it, I sincerely hope you liked it. Take care, and God bless, and I'll see you tomorrow in the next video.